Hey everyone, I'm at a photo shoot today and I thought it was a perfect time to fill you all in on what I'm loving about my new BIGtail. So yes, number one is the length of it. So you can see this is my everyday tail comb that I will go back to and use. And this is my BIGtail. So the length of it is amazing, and everything we're doing is always about trying to save you time and being able to be fast, because we have to be fast today. It's carbon, and as we know, carbon tail combs or carbon combs, they don't melt, it glides through the hair easier, so there's no snagging, and you only need to buy it once and it's in your kit, so it won't actually bend or maneuver. So have a little look. I'm going to, if you just come over here with there, so I'm going to basically take the tail comb, I'm going to come all the way around from one side to the other, and you can just see I can take that section really easy. So just remember, yes, I'm here at a photo shoot and we're going to be doing styling, but this is perfect for setting up for foiling in the salon. So when you're taking your sections, take your sections really nice and easy, glide it through the hair, and you will love one of these in your kit. They're available now on our website. See ya.